Man, did you hear about all them dead birds?
Yeah, I did, man. Yeah, I did.
That's sad, man.
Yeah? Wonder what kind of excuse they're gonna try to feed us on this one.
No doubt, they always do.
You know, well, they know the sheep will buy anything, so you know.
Yeah,
God knows
really.
what they'll come up with. Well, here's what we think, maybe.
Dead birds falling, baby, falling from the sky. There are dead birds falling, man, falling all the time. Dead birds falling, baby, falling from the sky. Lots of dead birds falling, man, nobody knows why. There are dead birds. Dead birds. Lots of dead birds. Dead birds. One or two birds ain't such a bad thing, but dropping by the hundreds starts to make a bigger stink. Filling up the yard, what's a cat supposed to do? Lunch is falling from the sky, well it's lucky, lucky you. There are dead birds. Dead birds. Yucky dead birds. Dead birds. Dead birds falling, baby, falling from the sky. There are dead birds falling, man, they're falling all the time. Dead birds falling, baby, falling from the sky. Lots of dead birds falling, man, and nobody knows why. There are dead birds. Dead birds. Yucky dead birds. Dead birds. It's not only birds, there are dead fishies too. There's a lot of silly theories, but you don't know what is true. Birds keep a dropping, baby, dropping from real high. I'm afraid to keep a watching, cause I might just lose an eye from all the dead birds. Lots of dead birds. Yucky dead birds. Dead birds. Dead birds falling, baby, falling from the sky. There are dead birds falling, man, they're falling all the time. Dead birds falling, baby, falling from the sky. Lots of dead birds falling, man, and nobody knows why. There are dead birds. Those yucky dead birds. Yucky dead birds. Lots of dead birds.